Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer. Here are 15 classic motorcycles for sale across the United States, featuring a mix of rare and timeless machines. Number 1. 1984 Moto Guzzi LeMans 3, $9,900, Keller, Texas. The 1984 Moto Guzzi LeMans 3 is often regarded as one of the most refined versions in the LeMans series, representing a true Italian classic with a strong collector following. This example has been carefully maintained over the years and consistently stored in a garage, helping preserve both its mechanical integrity and overall appearance. Its iconic styling and distinctive V-twin character continue to make it a standout among vintage European motorcycles. This bike also comes with a selection of additional parts, including seats, foot pegs, a new airbox, and various maintenance items. The previously installed Corbin seat has been replaced with a more comfortable unit from Australian Comfy motorcycle seats, while the original factory seat is still included. With its combination of originality, thoughtful upgrades, and proper care, this LeMans 3 presents a solid opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a well-kept Italian classic. Number 2. 1988 Harley-Davidson FLHTC, $6,500, Grants Pass, Oregon. This 1988 Harley-Davidson FLHTC Classic represents a timeless touring motorcycle from an important anniversary year for the brand. Featuring a rebuilt and reconditioned original Harley-Davidson engine, the bike maintains a strong mechanical foundation while still presenting with classic showroom appeal. It has been consistently maintained by professionals and stored in a garage, contributing to its well-preserved condition. Equipped with touring features such as lower fairings, a rider backrest, and a real sheepskin seat cover, it is built for comfort on long rides. The inclusion of an AM/FM radio, weather band, and cassette player reflects the era's touring culture. With approximately 2,000 miles on new tires and a flexible seller open to reasonable offers or local delivery, this FLHTC stands as a practical and nostalgic option for classic Harley touring enthusiasts. Number 3. 1963 Triumph TR6 650cc, $6,500, Black Diamond, Washington. The 1963 Triumph TR6 650cc is a classic British motorcycle known for its simple design and strong parallel twin performance. This example presents well visually and has been partially prepared for sale with a new battery and fresh fuel. The engine shows excellent compression and turns over smoothly, indicating a solid mechanical base for a vintage machine of this era. Currently, the bike does not have spark at the plugs, likely due to a minor electrical issue such as wiring or a fuse, making it a manageable project for someone familiar with classic bikes. It includes valuable original components such as the factory seat and fuel tank, along with manuals and additional parts. With a clean title and honest condition, this TR6 offers strong value for enthusiasts looking to restore or lightly recommission a true British classic. Number 4. 1975 Honda CB500T, $2,795, Spokane, Washington. The 1975 Honda CB500T is a relatively rare model, produced for a short period, which adds to its appeal among collectors of vintage Japanese motorcycles. This particular example is described as completely original, an important factor for buyers seeking authenticity. Its condition is noted as excellent, with performance that matches its clean and well-preserved appearance. With a market valuation higher than the asking price, it represents a good value in today's classic motorcycle scene. The bike comes with a clean title and collector plates, making it ready for ownership. The seller is also open to reasonable offers, adding flexibility for potential buyers. Overall, this CB500T is a solid option for those looking for a rare and well-maintained vintage Honda. Number 5. 1964 Vespa Standard, $3,950, Portland, Oregon. This 1964 Vespa Standard is a classic Italian scooter that reflects timeless design and practical simplicity. As a family-owned vehicle, it has been well cared for and retains a clean title, adding confidence for prospective buyers. Its condition allows it to be enjoyed immediately without the need for restoration or significant mechanical work. The scooter starts easily on the first kick and runs and drives smoothly, making it both reliable and user-friendly. Its vintage charm combined with its straightforward functionality makes it appealing to a wide range of enthusiasts, from collectors to those simply looking for a stylish and dependable classic ride. With a firm asking price, this Vespa stands as a clean and honest example of a mid-century icon. Number 6. 1980 Yamaha 850 Special, $3,800, Redmond, Washington. The 1980 Yamaha 850 Special is a classic example of late-era UJM design, combining performance with everyday usability. Powered by a triple-cylinder engine paired with triple carburetors, this bike delivers a smooth yet distinctive riding experience that sets it apart from typical twin-cylinder models of its time. The shaft drive system adds convenience and low maintenance, while the 3-into-2 exhaust configuration enhances both sound and visual appeal. With just over 22,000 miles and ownership retained by the original owner, this motorcycle has clearly been well cared for throughout its life. Its excellent condition reflects consistent maintenance and proper storage. For riders or collectors seeking a reliable and character-rich vintage Yamaha, this 850 Special offers a strong balance of originality, engineering, and long-term durability. Number 7. 1972 BSA Rocket 3, $7,400, Kent, Washington. The 1972 BSA Rocket 3 stands as one of the most significant motorcycles in British motorcycling history, often referred to as the first British superbike. This numbers-matching Mk2 model comes from BSA's final production year and features the iconic chrome tank along with updated styling unique to the later versions. With only 533 units produced for the 1972 model year, it represents a rare and highly collectible machine. Mechanically, the bike has been well maintained, running with a Boyer ignition system and recently ultrasonic cleaned carburetors. A top-end refresh completed in 2021 included new pistons, rings, valves, and guides, along with new tires and fresh paint. With documented engine numbering confirming its production period and a clear effort to preserve its condition, this Rocket 3 offers a rare opportunity to own a well-sorted and historically important British classic. Number 8. 1981 Kawasaki CSR305, $3,100, Spokane, Washington. The 1981 Kawasaki CSR305 is a lightweight cruiser that offers a unique blend of simplicity, comfort, and vintage appeal. What makes this example particularly special is its exceptionally low mileage, just over 1,200 original miles, which is extremely rare for a motorcycle of this age. After being lightly used, it was properly stored for nearly 3 decades in a climate-controlled environment, helping preserve both its mechanical components and overall condition. Powered by a 306cc parallel twin engine with a 6-speed transmission, this bike is designed to be approachable and easy to ride. Its lightweight frame and balanced handling make it suitable for both beginners and experienced riders. With minimal signs of wear and no rust, this CSR305 presents as a well-preserved time capsule, offering a rare chance to own an early 1980s Kawasaki in near original condition. Number 9. 1972 Suzuki T350 two-stroke, $2,500, Smyrna, Tennessee. The 1972 Suzuki T350 is a classic two-stroke motorcycle from an era when lightweight performance bikes were rapidly evolving. Produced for only a few years, this model has become increasingly difficult to find, especially in complete and well-maintained condition. This particular example features custom paint finished in a Harley-Davidson black cherry and black scheme, adding a unique visual touch to its vintage character. The bike is described as complete and in very good condition, with a new battery installed. It starts and idles, although it currently bogs under throttle, indicating that the carburetors will likely need cleaning. With legal registration and insurance already in place, it provides a solid foundation for a straightforward recommissioning project. Its kickstart-only setup and left-side kicker add to the authentic vintage riding experience. Number 10. 1965 Norton Atlas, $4,700, San Francisco, California. The 1965 Norton Atlas is a respected British classic known for its powerful parallel twin engine and strong presence in the pre-Commando era. This particular example is currently listed as non-operational and on non-op status, making it a project opportunity for enthusiasts interested in restoring a historically significant machine. The engine turns over with good compression, suggesting a promising starting point for mechanical work. Recent additions include new mufflers and full-size diameter header pipes, which contribute to both performance potential and period-correct aesthetics. While the bike will likely require engine work to return to running condition, it comes with a clean title and a solid base for restoration. For collectors or builders, this Norton Atlas represents a chance to bring a classic British motorcycle back to life with the right level of care and attention. Number 11. 1983 Yamaha Riva 180, $2,995, Santa Cruz, California. The 1983 Yamaha Riva 180 is a standout example of early modern scooter design, offering both practicality and impressive performance for its class. What makes this particular unit especially notable is its extremely low mileage, just 537 original miles, which is exceptionally rare and places it among the cleanest examples available today. It has recently undergone a complete service by a professional motorcycle shop, ensuring it is mechanically ready for use. This Riva is described as being in excellent condition, with no history of drops or damage, and it comes fitted with a brand new set of tires. Being freeway legal adds to its versatility, making it suitable for both urban commuting and longer rides. With a clean California title and assistance offered for DMV paperwork, this scooter represents a well-preserved and highly usable piece of Yamaha history. Number 12. 1964 Ducati Falcon, $4,000, Gilbert, Arizona. The 1964 Ducati Falcon is an exceptionally rare ultra-lightweight 50cc racing motorcycle, representing a unique piece of Ducati's early competition heritage. Originally acquired from a notable barn find collection in California, this bike has since been preserved as a display piece, maintaining its authentic patina and historical character. Its condition reflects careful preservation rather than restoration, making it especially appealing to collectors who value originality. The motorcycle includes a rare NOS replacement part for the crankcase cover, sourced internationally, although the current condition tells part of its racing story and may be best left untouched. Adding further uniqueness, an accompanying artwork by Italian artist Sassia Morosi is available with the sale. This Ducati Falcon is less about everyday riding and more about owning a rare example of mechanical art and racing history. Number 13. 1979 BMW R65 650cc, $3,200, Grand Junction, Colorado. The 1979 BMW R65 offers a compact and agile take on BMW's classic Boxer twin platform, but this example has been significantly upgraded for enhanced performance. Equipped with a Siebenrock 860cc conversion kit, including new cylinders, pistons, and rings, it delivers more power than the standard configuration, while maintaining the balanced feel that BMW is known for. With under 2,000 miles since the conversion, the engine has been properly broken in according to manufacturer guidelines. Additional updates include a new seat, recently installed tires, and refinished wheels and frame, all contributing to its refreshed appearance. The engine remains clean and well presented, and the bike is described as particularly enjoyable on twisty roads due to its lighter weight and responsive handling. This R65 represents a thoughtful blend of classic BMW engineering and modernized performance enhancements. Number 14. 1980 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead FLHS, $8,000, Wilmington, North Carolina. The 1980 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead FLHS is a classic American touring motorcycle that holds strong appeal among collectors and enthusiasts. This example is a numbers-matching bike, with both frame and engine retaining original serial numbers, confirming its authenticity. Powered by a 1200cc Shovelhead engine that has been professionally rebuilt, it has accumulated fewer than 20,000 miles since the rebuild, offering a solid mechanical foundation. The bike features custom paintwork completed by a respected painter known for work on high-profile motorcycles, giving it a distinctive and high-quality finish. It also comes with several useful extras, including a battery charger, spare battery, multiple cases of oil, and a passenger seat pad. Combining originality, mechanical work, and thoughtful additions, this Shovelhead presents a well-rounded package for classic Harley enthusiasts. Number 15. 1978 Kawasaki KZ750, $1,400, York, Pennsylvania. The 1978 Kawasaki KZ750 is a straightforward and reliable example of a classic Japanese standard motorcycle. Known for its durable 750cc engine and simple mechanical design, the KZ series has long been appreciated for its usability and ease of maintenance. This particular bike is described as running and riding well, making it an accessible option for those seeking an affordable vintage motorcycle. While the mileage listed on the title is not accurate, the bike comes with a clean title and is offered at a competitive price point with flexibility for offers. Its condition and performance make it suitable as an entry-level classic, a daily rider, or even a light restoration project. Overall, this KZ750 provides solid value for anyone looking to step into the world of vintage Kawasaki motorcycles. Thanks for watching Moto Market Explorer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check back daily for more classic motorcycle listings across the United States.